In today's video, we will go over the sport of bowling. Bowling has been a popular sport in the Philippines since the early 1900s. Filipino bowlers have represented the country in various international competitions and have brought home several medals. In this video, we will take a look at the top 5 Filipino bowlers in history. Number 5. Bong Koo. Olivia Bong Koo is considered the greatest female bowler in Philippine history. She was born on June 3, 1948 and started playing bowling at the age of 21. She is regarded as the most decorated Filipino athlete. As a member of the Philippine team, she has amassed a total of 78 medals, 37 of which are gold medals. She is a 4 times world champion. She is a member of the World Bowling Hall of Fame. She is also a member of the Philippine Sports Hall of Fame. Number 4. Lita De La Rosa. Lita De La Rosa is another female bowler who has made a name for herself in Philippine bowling history. She was born on January 19, 1952 in Cebu, Philippines. She passed away in July 1994. De La Rosa has won numerous national and international titles, including the women's singles gold medal at the 1978 Asian Games in Bangkok. She was inducted into the Philippine Sports Hall of Fame in 2018. She is a 4-time world champion in 10-pin bowling. She was posthumously inducted in the World Bowling Hall of Fame. Number 3. Liza Del Rosario. She won the trios gold medal at the 2003 World Championship in Kuala Lumpur. It was the first gold medal for the Philippines in the World Championship in 20 years. She won the singles and all events gold medal at the 17th Asian Championship in Hong Kong in 2002. Del Rosario attended De La Salle University. She was awarded the DLSAA Lasallian Sports Achievement Award in 2006 and 2008. Number 2. Arian Sardena. Arian Sardena was born in March 11, 1962. She is best known for winning the first gold medal for the Summer Olympics in bowling. She was inducted into the Philippine Sports Hall of Fame in March 2021. Arian was part of the bowling team that competed in the 1991 Southeast Asian Games. She won 6 gold medals overall in regional games. Number 1. Paeng Nepomuceno. Rafael Paeng Villarreal Nepomuceno, a Filipino bowler and instructor, was born in Quezon City on January 30, 1957. Nepomuceno started playing bowling at the age of 10. When he was 13 years old, he took home his first bowling championship and he never looked back. The first and only bowler to win the esteemed President's Trophy from the IOC International Olympic Committee. In 1999, the FIQ or Federation Internationale des Qualiors named him the International Bowling Athlete of the Millennium. He became the first Filipino bowler to be honored by the Philippine government with a commemorative stamp. He has won a total of 135 international and local bowling titles throughout his career. Nepomuceno is the only bowler in history to win the World Cup 4 times: 1976, 1980, 1992, and 1996. He also won the World 10-Pin Bowling Championship 3 times: 1976, 1980, and 1992. Nepomuceno was inducted into the International Bowling Hall of Fame in 1993 and the Philippine Sports Hall of Fame in 2006. The most legendary Filipino bowler is regarded as Paeng Nepomuceno. In conclusion, Filipino bowlers have made a significant impact in the world of bowling. With their hard work, dedication, and talent, they have become champions in international competitions and have brought pride to the Philippines. In the history of the sport, Some of the best Filipino bowlers include Paeng Nepomuceno, Bongku, Lita de la Rosa, Liza del Rosario, and Ariane Cerdena. There are more great Filipino bowlers such as Martwin T, Crisaya Tabora, Biboy Rivera, Oliver Ongtanco, and Angelo Constantino. We have a great future ahead of us. They have inspired and continue to inspire young bowlers in the Philippines and around the world to pursue their dreams and excel in the sport they love. I hope you enjoyed our video for today. Please give this channel your support so that we can expand and create more videos that highlight the Philippines and Filipinos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please click the notification bell if you would like to be informed when we publish a new video. Thank you and see you in our next video.